Good everyone. Good everyone. Welcome to this live stream. My name is Isaac. Good everyone. Welcome to this live stream. My name is Isaac. Please, if you have any question about AI video creation, there's a period for opportunity for you to ask your questions. Hi guys, welcome to this live stream. Hi guys, welcome to this live stream. If you have any question about how to create an AI video, and just drop your question. Let's ask questions, please. Let's ask questions, guys. Let's ask questions. Hi guys. Oga KB. Oga KB. I'm not saying that you know. How far Oga KB, how you dey? Oga KB. I know saying that you. So they use YouTube well like this. I don't know say you dey active on YouTube. How far you dey? No, it's not recorded. It's not recorded. It's not recorded. You can talk. After I might delete it after I'm done. I might delete it. You are free to talk now. I might delete it after I end this live stream. I might delete this live stream. So you are free to talk, but it might not be personal, just towards this stuff you get. So let's talk about AI, Oga KB. Let's talk about AI. I believe you are working on your project too. I mean, do we have access to this later? Do you want to have access to it after this live stream? Do you want to have access to it? Yeah, Oga KB, talk now. Oh Allah. So yeah, let's talk. Let's share ideas. Oga KB. Oh yeah. Tell me what you know about AI video creation. Tell me what you know. I also share what I know about AI video creations too. Tell me what you know. Oh my God, I've forgotten. It's just text. So honestly, I've forgotten. I thought it was up. It's just text actually. So I think it will be yeah. It's just text actually. So I think it will be like um what do you call that? It will be just audio and chat. It will be chat. Let's just say chat. Yeah. We are just chatting. Let's just say chat. But it will be video from my end maybe and also text from your end. You get just like a Q&A stuff. Sure. You can't speak here now. It's live stream. How you doing now? Isn't this up? Yeah. Let me just give you like a little clean of what I know about AI and AI prompting. So yeah. There's a formula that I'm usually using a lot when I'm creating an AI prompt. I'm very sure you are familiar with AI prompts or you're not familiar with AI prompts. Are you familiar with AI prompts? Do you know what AI prompt is? Or do you know what AI prompt is all about? Yeah, good. So AI prompt is just like a set of instructions, a set of language that you pass across to an AI tools to get what you want or to achieve or to accomplish a certain aim or a certain goal. That's just that about AI prompt. So I've just defined AI prompt for you in a simple language, in a layman language. So now, going towards how to learn how to create an effective AI prompt now. You can't just type whatever you want to type inside the input entry or the prompt entry and you get what you want. It doesn't work that way. There should be a certain formula, a certain guidelines your AI prompt must have before you can get the desired result, and that is where RTC comes in. So with the benefit of RTC, you can be able to create an effective, a well-structured AI prompt. Without a formula like this, you won't be able to create an effective and a well-structured AI prompt. So now, what does RTC means? So if you have any question, I just drop your questions and I'll be answering your questions towards what I'm trying to explain. So RTC is a method formula that I've been using to create an effective AI prompt. So now let me just explain what RTC means. RTC is an acronym. So the first letter there is called R, which is meant for what? Rows. The second one is called what? T, which is meant for tags. And the third one is what? C, which is what? Meant for context. So now let's start from the R. So row. Obviously, when you are typing your entry, when you're typing your prompt into an AI tools, obviously you want that AI tools to act like a what, act like that personality. So it might be a video editor personality, might be a software programmer personality, it might be a software developer personalities. You have tons of personalities out there. So I will tell my AI tools to act like a what. Let's say I want to let it program a Python code for me. I'll just tell that AI tools, for example, let's say Gemini, acts as a what Python programmer with over 4 years of experience, or with over 5 years of experience. Act like a Python programmer with over 5 years of experience. That's the what. That's fulfill the first part, which is the row. The next part now, which is the T. The T is talking about the task. So as a Python programmer, what tasks do I want to give to that AI tools? So the task might varies. I might decide to like I might decide to say create a what? Create a Python code create a Python code for me that would fetch out the current weather forecast. So now obviously you've moved. Initially we are at what row, which is the arrow. Now we are moving to the task now, which is to create a weather forecast program for me. So after creating a weather forecast program, obviously I have to pass something to it that will give more context to that AI tools. Are you getting my point at all, Mr. KB? Are you understanding me at all? Do you understand my explanation so far? Do you understand my explanation so far, Oga KB? Do you understand? Please let's ask question. So now the last part now, which is the C, is stands for context. So context is to give more meaning to to the what to the tasks I'm giving to that AI tool. So context might be okay. I was like a Python programmer with over 4 years of experience. Program a what to create or write a program that was fetch the current weather forecast for me, and fetch the current weather forecast of each particular location. That is where the context comes in. So the weather forecast of each location might be my current location here in Lagos. It might be it might be any other locations that I might want it to fetch. Based on that task, which is to create a Python program that fetches weather forecast. So that's just that about the formula called RTC. So with that simple illustration now, I am able to illustrate or give you a thorough definition, a thorough explanation of how RTC works in creating an effective AI prompt. So do you understand my explanation so far on RTC as a formula for creating an effective AI prompt? This is the formula I've been using so far, and the result have been inspiring. The result has been good to me. Any questions, sir? Oga Kibi, any question? Do you understand? Any question? Okay, context now. So I will just try and I'll start it from the tax, which is the T. The T is representing the word. The T is representing the tax. Okay, I'm giving this AI to act as a Python programmer for over 4 years of experience to create a weather forecast for me. And that weather forecast now, which is a tax, it will create a weather forecast program for me, which is the tax. Now the next pattern, which is the C, you're talking about the context. So which context will I add to the task that I'm giving to my AI tools now? Context might be the current location of where I am. I'll just tell the AI tools to create a weather forecast program that would fetch the weather forecast of my current location in Lagos. That's one of the contexts. The context might be any other thing, but the context is not always constant. That's just one thing I want you to know. The context is not always constant mathematically or statistically. The context is not always constant. It's really based on what users or what the AI2 users is trying to fetch or to get from that AI2 he or she is using. Do you understand this now? Do you understand this now? Any question on that context? Ask your question, please, if you have any question. Yeah, sharp. So that's just that about RTC formula in respect to creating an effective or a well-structured AI prompt. So when you are very good at AI prompts, now you can say you want to get into an AI engineer as a role, or to learn AI engineer as a course, or to work as an AI engineer. And aside that, there are so many things that you can achieve or you can learn or you can get from being very good at AI prompts. When you're very good at AI prompts, you can venture into any role and apply and got the offer. When you are very good at AI prompts, you can learn how to create an AI video, which is the main theme of this live stream. You can learn how to create an AI video because obviously AI videos is rampant, they are everywhere. And with that kind of craft, you can start making your money while still in your comfort of your room, without going out for any office work or any office role at all. So there's so many other benefits aside those ones that I've mentioned. When you are very good at writing an effective AI prompt, a well-structured AI prompt. I just name a few. I think I mentioned like 3 or 2 points concerning creating AI videos, concerning taking a corporate role, and concerning it just varies. It has many functions, so many opportunities, so many things that you get when you are very good at writing an effective AI prompt. So that's just that about that. Any other questions? Since I end this live stream very soon, anyway. Any other question before we call it off for today? So far we'll be able to spend over 15 minutes here. Any question, Gakebi? And if you want to access this thing, if you want to have access to it after this live stream, you're free to have access to it and just maybe save it or store this video for future purpose or for future sake. Yeah. All right, we'll talk later, Jerry. Okay,